A very good morning. This presentation is brought to you by Resonate International with a mission to leverage knowledge worldwide. The topic being covered is a journey to cellular brilliance. Ladies and gentlemen, at the core of human existence lies an awe-inspiring truth: the well-being of 37.2 trillion cells, representing over 200 distinct types, and they define the health and vitality of the whole. Each cell, from neurons orchestrating thought to red blood cells delivering life-sustaining oxygen, plays an irreplaceable role in sustaining life. When nurtured, cells thrive, fueling health, resilience, and purpose. When neglected, the entire system falters. Let us understand the science of cellular flourishing. Every cell is a marvel of engineering, dependent on precise inputs to function optimally. Here is what cells require to thrive. First, essential building blocks: amino acids for protein synthesis, enabling growth, repair, and immunity. Second, energy sources: nutrient-dense foods and glucose to power biochemical processes. Third, oxygen, vital for efficient mitochondrial energy production. Fourth, water, maintains hydration for enzymatic activity and intercellular communication. Fifth, rest and repair: sleep for detoxification, growth, and rejuvenation. Sixth, physical activation: regular movement to enhance mitochondrial efficiency and systemic harmony. Seventh, cosmic rhythm: exposure to sunlight aligns circadian cycles and supports mitochondrial health. Eighth, emotional energy: positive emotions stimulate endorphins, serotonin, and oxytocin, hormones that elevate mood, bolster immunity, and accelerate cellular repair. The extraordinary brain is a universe within itself. The brain, though just 2% of body mass, consumes 20% of total energy, 15% of cardiac output, 20% of oxygen, and 25% of glucose. Neurons, the brain's 86 billion specialized cells, require nurturing far beyond basic sustenance. Through neurogenesis, the brain adapts and evolves, forming new connections in response to stimuli, learning, and cosmic energy alignment. Proper care ensures the brain remains a source of innovation, resilience, and universal connection throughout life. Let's look at the path forward, a blueprint for cellular mastery. Achieving optimal health begins with honoring the needs of every cell. First, nutrient-rich diet. Consume balanced, natural foods rich in essential nutrients. Second, breathing and oxygenation. Practice deep diaphragmatic breathing for maximum oxygen uptake. Third, sunlight and cosmic energy. Absorb morning sunlight to align with circadian rhythms. Fourth, adequate hydration. Maintain consistent hydration to support all cellular processes. Fifth, restorative sleep. Ensure 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep for repair and rejuvenation. Sixth, regular physical activity. Engage in exercise to enhance strength, endurance, and flexibility. 7. Cognitive enrichment. Stimulate the brain with learning, skills, and meditation. 8. Emotional well-being. Foster positive emotional energy through mindfulness, gratitude, and acts of kindness to amplify healing and connection. Ladies and gentlemen, in conclusion, to nurture the self is to honor the universe within. 37.2 trillion cells working in unison to sustain life. Each cell is a microcosm of the cosmos, transforming nourishment into vitality, resilience, and purpose. Positive emotional energy serves as the invisible thread weaving health, happiness, and harmony into this intricate dance. When cells flourish, they elevate the body, mind, and spirit. This is not merely survival, it is transcendence, a state of alignment with nature's infinite wisdom. By nurturing the self, we not only unlock the brilliance of our cells, but the full potential of our existence, creating a harmonious interplay between life and the cosmos. Good luck, best wishes, and God bless.